Today, I'll show you how to log in as an employer on ZipRecruiter. If you're looking to post jobs, review candidates, or manage your hiring all in one place, you'll first need to access your employer account. In this walkthrough, I'll go step by step through the login process, explain what you'll see on the screen, and share a few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Let's start from the very beginning. On your computer or mobile browser, open your preferred browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and in the address bar at the top, type in ZipRecruiter.com, then press enter. This will take you to ZipRecruiter's main homepage. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official site and not a lookalike by checking that the web address is correct and that the connection is secure. Once the homepage is loaded, look for the option that says I'm an employer. This is usually near the top of the page or clearly labeled as the place for businesses and recruiters. Go ahead and click I'm an employer. This tells ZipRecruiter that you want to access the employer side of the platform where you can post and manage jobs rather than the job seeker side. After you click I'm an employer, you'll be taken to the employer login screen. Here you'll see a field where you can enter your email address, type in the email that you used when you created your ZipRecruiter employer account. It's important that this matches exactly, especially if you used multiple work emails. Once you've entered your email, click the continue button. Depending on how your account is set up, ZipRecruiter may then ask you for your password, send you a verification code, or guide you through any additional security steps like two-factor authentication. Just follow the prompts on the screen. If you realize you've typed your email incorrectly, you can usually go back and fix it before moving forward. And if you've forgotten your password, look for a forgot password link on that page so you can reset it securely. Now, if you prefer not to type in your email and password every time, there's another option available. On the same employer login page, you can choose to continue with Google. To use this option, click the button that says something like Continue with Google. A Google login window will open where you can pick the Google account associated with your ZipRecruiter employer profile or sign in with your Google email and password if you're not already logged in. Once you select the correct Google account and complete any prompts, Google will securely connect you back to ZipRecruiter and you'll be logged in automatically as an employer. This can be a convenient option if you already use Google for work and want a faster sign-in experience. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to go to ZipRecruiter's website, switch to the employer side, enter your email and continue, or sign in using your Google account instead. From here, you'll be able to start posting jobs, reviewing applicants, and managing your hiring process all from your employer dashboard.